At this stage of the course, you should be able to download and install XAMPP and Bluefish. You should be able to use Bluefish to create a basic PHP script and to display some static text and save the PHP file to your own local host. You should be able to open this file in a browser. You also should be able to use Bluefish to create a new snippet and then use the snippet in a PHP script. You should be able to use PHP to create a new database and to create new tables in the database, each with several columns or attributes. At the end of each section, there are some exercises. The solutions can be found in snippets, exercise answers. In some cases, you're asked to perform an exercise using a database on your local host server. In these cases, the relevant snippet will be code that you will need to use to create a new PHP file on the server that will test if you have performed the exercise and then report back to you accordingly.